Hi, I'm Jared Hill. I want to talk to you about Facebook. Facebook has become a voice to reckon with. Obviously, their user base is huge. Everybody is on Facebook, and businesses talk about the fact that you have to have a presence on Facebook. Now, what that means is another area that you have to focus your attention. And in this course that I've put together, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up a page for your business and then also give you some tips and tricks that are kind of best practices for managing something like this. Obviously, these days you have to have a website, you have to have social media presence, and if you have a physical location for your business like a restaurant or an insurance office or a physical location, those are a lot of things to manage. So in this course, we're going to talk about setting up the Facebook page, getting it to the point where you can be putting information out there to share with your potential clients, with your current clients or customers, and use it as a tool to keep people informed and involved with what you have going on and the information that you have that you want to share with these people. So that's the goal of this course. If you're a beginner, this is a perfect course for you because we're going to walk through the process from start to finish. I assume that you probably have a little bit of an understanding of how to use Facebook personally, but to use it for business, it is different. For those of you that have a little bit of experience with Facebook pages, this is also a good course because it walks through the process of setting up everything and getting it set up for success from the very beginning. There might be a few tips and tricks in there for you, for those of you that already have a page. Now, the second half of the course is going to include some more tips and tricks, a couple of case studies, and then some things that I've kind of came across over the last several years of using Facebook pages for my businesses and businesses that we've been managing social media for. Having a Facebook page isn't just about having one created and then waiting for people to communicate with you there. You have to physically take action and post content out there and share it and try and get people to engage with it. It's a little bit of work. So finding a way to make that all happen without it taking up your entire day is obviously something that can be achieved and must be achieved. Otherwise, it's just not a feasible method for you to try and reach additional people. So Facebook has its pros and its cons, and we're going to go over those as well. Lots of things have changed since the first time that I produced this course. So this is a complete revision of the course because Facebook has changed a lot, and the tactics and the ways that businesses are using Facebook to market themselves have changed as well. So join me, go ahead and register for this course. It's free, doesn't cost anything, just a little bit of your time, and I guarantee you'll walk away with some good tips and tricks on how to manage Facebook for your business or organization. And we'll even get you started with a Facebook page, get everything up, and have you rolling along in a matter of no time. So register for this course, it's free, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the discussion area of the course. And I'm also available through Facebook and Twitter as alternative ways to start discussions with me about this as well. So thanks for checking this out, and hope to see you in the course.